the towering mountain.
Iriga came from a phrase in the language Iraga, which means there is land. Grew from the settlement by the bank of Bicol River called Buwa, which are now called Nabwa, who were looking for higher ground due to the perennial and disastrous flooding of the town during the rainy season. In 1682, with a population of 8,909, Iriga was converted into Pueblo de la Provincia de Ambos Camarines. Later on, Spanish authorities changed the name from Iriga to Iriga. In 1710, Don Bonifacio de Los Angeles organized the first four barrios of Iriga: San Agustin, San Isidro, San Nicolas, and San Antonio Abad.
Come and walk along the friendly city streets.
Parokya ay Santuario Archdiocesano de San Antonio de Padua, commonly known as Iriga Church and St. Antonio of Padua Parish Church. It's a Roman Catholic church located in Iriga City, Camarines Sur. First church was burned in 1585. The second church was damaged by a typhoon and destroyed by fire. Third church was constructed in 1727 but was also burned in 1841. The present church, together with two belfries, was constructed shortly afterwards. The National Historical Commission of the Philippines declared it a national landmark in 1939.
Let's get away to the city of springs. Come and let's take a trip.
The Rizal statue in Iriga City is located at the northeastern part of the park. It was constructed and inaugurated on March 3, 1985, honoring Filipinos, particularly Bicolanos, who fought against the Japanese imperialist army during World War II as unpaid guerrilla remnants, part of the 6th Army United States Armed Forces in the Far East and Philcom Bicol area. The statue stands as a testament to the city's historical and patriotic spirit. The Rizal Park and the Jose Rizal statue in Iriga City are significant historical landmarks. The park and monument were initiated by Santiago E. Barrientos Gonzalez, who served as the municipal mayor from 1929 to 1937. He was instrumental in the construction of the local Rizal Park and monument, among other contributions to the city. In the case of Iriga City, the Rizal Park and statue served as a reminder of the city's rich history and the enduring legacy of Jose Rizal's fight for freedom and reform during the Spanish colonial period. It's a place where locals and visitors alike can reflect on the past and draw inspiration from one of the nation's most revered figures.
Nitong nakaraang taon nga ng 2020, nagkaroon ng renovasyon sa plaza ng Iriga sa ilalim ng pamumuno ng dating alkalde ng lungsod na si Mayor Madeline Arcelor. Sambit niya, gusto pa rin niyang manatili si Rizal sa park, kaya naman mas lalong pinaganda ang plaza ng Iriga at malaking bahagi din ang pananatili ng iskultura ni Rizal sa mga taong lungsod. Dahil sumasalamin na rin ito sa pagbibigay pugay o halaga sa ating bayan, lalo na kay Rizal na isa sa kamaguyod ng ating kalayaan bilang isang bansa.
Let's get away to the city of springs. Come and let's take a trek to the town.
Mount Iriga, also known as Mount Asog, is an old volcano in the Bicol region. Much of Iriga is mountainous as the skyline is dominated by the majestic Mount Asog, aka Mount Sumagang. Mount Asog has a colorful history. It was named after an ancient Datu chieftain of the Agtas named Asog, who reigned over the region. Sometimes it is also called Mount Sumagang, which means Mountain of the Rising Sun. Iriga is part of the Bicol Volcanic Arc, which comprises at least 12 volcanic vents and complexes and is one of the 3 historically active, but the least active centers of the arc, the other two being Mayon and Bulusan. Iriga has only 2 known recorded eruptions in historic times.
Come and walk along the friendly city streets. Enjoy and taste the native and authentic cuisine. Capture more beautiful moments with natural scenes.
Taga-Iriga kami. Siyempre, ako kayo makulor as in mamuyang aktibidades.
This is the beautiful city of Iriga. Tacos Pocamos.
Taga-Iriga kami. Siyempre, we are the characters.
Beautiful city of Iriga.
Nag-Iriga kami. Siyempre, lana mo kagupo.
We are from Iriga City! Of course, we are the City of Spring!
Christmas, where history's a pride, a city where culture is splendidly bright. Welcome to the beautiful city of Iriga. Come and visit the beautiful city of Iriga. Dagos po kamo sa syudad ni Iriga. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful city of Iriga.
Taga-Iriga kami. Siyempre, ako libreng boxing match kada Domingo sa plaza.
Well,